Alright, welcome back to another wedding photography behind the scenes video. Today we are shooting at the lovely, beautiful Park Chateau in New Jersey. This was my first time shooting at this venue, and I gotta say, this is one of the most beautiful venues that I've ever shot at, and I'm so excited to show you all of the photos. So without further ado, let's get started. We were a team of 4, 2 photographers and 2 videographers, and I was the lead photographer. And as always, we start with bride prep. I don't have any footage of groom prep because my second shooter obviously is shooting the groom prep, but for the bride prep, this is how I usually start. I start with the flat lay. For the flat lay, I will be making a video about my flat lay kit, some of the stuff that I bring, so be on the lookout for that. Slight smile. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow, the makeup is so nice.
Remember to smile the whole day.
Yeah. I will definitely remind you. All right, just go for it. Yep, and that's perfect. Beautiful. So it's good for video if you make lots of movement. So like kind of like run. Yeah. Good. Beautiful. Look towards me and like a big smile. Good, perfect. Look back at your dress. But just keep doing it. Allison, can you actually rotate your body towards the window? Good. All right, and then look slightly towards it. Yeah, good. Yes. Yep. Sorry, you're gonna kill me. Can you move more that way?
Yeah, no.
Okay, right there. Yeah. Okay, good. Perfect. Big smile. Beautiful. Keep looking out the window. All right, good. Now I want you to face the window, and now I want you to straighten your back. Good, perfect, good. Look out the window, beautiful, and look at your bouquet. Beautiful. And then can you kind of like touch the flowers a little bit? Yeah. Let's do it with the other hand. Yeah, beautiful. Big smile as you're doing that.
All right, whenever you're ready, go for it. Walk together, holding hands. Oh, and don't interlock fingers, just hold it together like this. Yep. Beautiful. And looking at each other, go for it. Lots of laughing, smiling, beautiful. And walk towards this way. Just hold a kiss for me. Good. Fabian, can you actually put your hand in your left hand in your pocket? Good. Good, perfect. Awesome, beautiful. Fabian, put your left hand in your pocket. Good, go for a kiss. Beautiful, one more. Can you continue walking, please, towards me? Oh, right. Good, awesome. Okay, we're gonna walk away from us this time. And then, Fabian, let's switch side. All right, and then when you walk away, Allison, when I tell you to turn around, give me a big smile. And then Fabian, just look at Allison the whole time, okay? But keep walking as you're doing it. Yeah, and give me a big smile, okay? Yeah. All right, walk together, lots of laughing, smiling, go for it. No, keep walking first. Looking at each other. Beautiful, oh, there it is. Good, and turn around, but keep walking, both of you. Beautiful, there it is, there it is, there it is. Fabian, look at me as well. And look at Allison. Allison, look down at your train. Yeah, beautiful. And then Fabian, I want you to lean over, give her a kiss on the side of the head. Perfect. All right, and Fabian, look out that way. Good, perfect. And last, both of you look at me one more time. Beautiful, beautiful. Looking at each other, yep. Come a little slower. Gotcha. Beautiful, all right, walk together. And stop right there, go for a kiss. Lovely, 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 good. Okay, last. A bit more? Good, yeah. And come a little bit closer to Allison. Good. Put your hand, yeah, there you go. Perfect. Allison, turn to look at me. Yeah, good. And both of you look at me. Good, just like that. Perfect, and look at each other. Good. Allison, look down at your train, behind, over your shoulder though. Yeah, good. And then Fabian, look out that way. Actually, never mind. I love the color outfits, the palette's really nice. Okay, good. All right, ladies, bend the knee that's closest to me. Perfect. This will be your left, right. Okay, good. All right, and gentlemen, hands fully in pockets. Perfect. All right, looking at my camera, big smiles. 1, 2, 3. Lovely, I love it. Okay. All right, we're gonna do a fun cheering shot. Here's the thing. We'll have Allison and Fabian hold the kiss, but everyone's gonna cheer, and the longer you cheer, the longer they have to hold the kiss. Does that make sense? 1, 2, 3, cheer. That was perfect. Okay, awesome. All right, we're gonna actually all walk together towards us very slowly. Let's have Allison and Fabian take a few steps forward. Okay, and we're all just gonna look at each other, talk with each other, okay? On 3, 1, 2, 3, go, walk towards us. Yeah, I'll organize it after. I just need to see how everyone looks first. You're covering, don't cover him. Come on, a little bit out more. Yeah, good. All right, good. Everyone looking at my camera, big smiles. Nice. Let's do one no smile. Good, perfect. And one more time, big smile. 1, 2, 3, big smile. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.
All right, so now it's time for the ceremony, and before the ceremony began, I was checking out the space, and I noticed there were lots of windows, which was great because you get a lot of natural light. However, the ceiling was orange, there were orange lights, and as you can see, it's still a little bit too dark, and so I decided to set up some of my flashes just in case I needed extra light. I figured it was better to have it set up and ready and not need it rather than need it and not have it set up and ready. So this was great because I ended up using one camera with flash and one camera without. And then for ceremony details, I just make sure to take a picture of the altar or wherever they're going to be standing, and any decorations, flowers, any details that they might have, I always make sure to capture that. Once the ceremony begins, I just capture everything that's happening. For the processional, I always make sure to capture every single person that's walking down the aisle. This is where I said I'm using one camera with flash and one camera without. With the long lens, when they're further away, I'm using flash because there's not a lot of light. And as they get closer, there is a lot of light. So with my wide angle lens, which my other camera, I decided not to use flash. Alright, and now we get to cocktail hour, and right away we set up for the reception. Now the ballroom space, as you can see, is very bright, and so once again I had the decision to make if I wanted to use flash or not. But similar to the ceremony, I decided to set up my flash anyways, just in case I would need it. And in this venue, the dance floor was in the shape of a square, which was great because I like to set up all 4 of the flashes at each corner so I can get coverage for any direction that I am facing. And after I finish setting up the flashes, I start shooting details.
There's going to be a first race. It's going to be a game of Mario Kart. And we're just going to take a brief moment to get that set up. However, while I don't encourage betting, if anybody wants some side action on who they think we're going to win, now is the time to do so. If your vote's on Allison, let me hear you make some noise.
So the very cool thing about this wedding is they decided not to do the traditional first dance right after the entrance. Instead, they had a first race. I guess they enjoy playing Mario Kart. This was my first time witnessing this, and it was awesome. And for speeches, it's very, very easy. This is how I like to photograph speeches. You don't have to do it, but this is what I think is the perfect way to photograph speeches. If you are shooting with a second shooter, have your second shooter just capture the reactions of the guests while you focus on the speaker and the couple. Just set up one flash or one light pointed at the speaker and the couple, and then you're just free to move around throughout the entire space to capture different angles. What I like to do is obviously a shot from the middle, and then I move to the sides. One photo from each side, capturing the reactions of the groom or the bride, and then flip to the other side, same thing, capture the reaction or the speaker. And also, definitely make sure to capture any kind of emotional reactions. And cake cutting is also very easy. Literally, you're just standing there and watching them cut the cake. Just have them look at you, get the shot, have them cut the cake, get the shot, have them feed each other, get the shot, and then have them kiss. That's pretty much it.
Yeah. So you're gonna be sitting and facing me. Yes. And then I want you to lean back on him. And then Fabian, can you actually put your arm around her shoulder? Yeah. Good. Go for a kiss. Yeah. Okay, can the both of you have a seat right over here?
That's fine.
Yeah. Wow, oh my gosh. Very classy. Oh, I'm gonna hold that. Sweet. All right, that's perfect. All right, good. Looking at my camera. Yeah. And no smile. Like it. Okay, cool.
And lastly, we get to the dancing part of the reception. My favorite part. I just slap on a 20mm lens and capture everyone having a good time. I always use a wide angle just to get as many, just to get as wide of a shot as I can to fit as much in the photo. In this wedding, they actually had a lot of breakdancers, which was awesome because they just smashed it on the dance floor, and it was really fun to capture everyone dancing. Alright, and that is the end of the wedding and the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Be safe, be healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!